Finally guys, it's the first salary in YouTube. Yeah, so excited about this salary. Yeah, if you work really hard, there you go, you got the salary. It's not easy at the beginning. You have to do doing fishing to get more like 1,000 subscriber or more, or at least 1,000 subscriber before you get monetized. Then after you get monetized, you apply for the Google for AdSense to put the ads in your YouTube channel. And after that, you have to wait, make more videos. Consistency is the best, so you have to put more vlogs whenever, and you have to support your friends too, back and forth. So by that, and then of course important people give you some donations too if they can, and then of course give anti-process if you have, you give them back in return. So here you go, this is our first salary, and I'm just so happy for this. I'm just gonna get this useful for the first time. I'll probably send this to my family or buy something for us for our first salary in the YouTube. Yeah, I'm just really happy. I'm just give you another advice. Be patient. It takes a lot of time for the good things to come for you, and then by the time it's there you go, here it is. You'll be happy, and all the rewards come back for you, and all the puyat and all the sleepless night to have a live, and then do support with your friends. That's what you do. Yeah, I encourage everybody, to the new beginner there, go ahead and keep doing, keep persisting yourself, and by the time you know it, you monetize, and then you apply in Google, and that's it. And then you wait for all the process. It takes a lot of time to process, guys, but also patience is the key. And yeah, just go out there, keep more blogging. I was going to stop my blogging, but the YouTube or Google email me that I have already my salary, and after they email me us in our Gmail, and that's it. We get it in our, not in the wire, accepting the money, because in Australia they don't. I click the wire check, but they wouldn't do that, so I have to go through with bank details instead. Yay! So happy for this. Most of all, thank God for everything, and also to our dear fans and followers and friends, those supporting us. We won't leave your salary, guys, not because of you. Thank you also for all the support and love to our channel. We're really happy for this, guys. Keep going, everybody. To those the beginner, I'm for sure you got really reward like us. Thank you so much, everybody, and of course to our dear husband, really happy for him. He's just always supporting me. There you go. Thank you so much, everybody. Cheers. Keep going, and you will do the same, guys. Cheers. Thank you, and subscribe for more, and we can make more fun and more interesting video here that I'm gonna share to you. I'll try our best to accompany you. Thank you so much once again, especially to our dear Lord and Jesus Christ for these blessings, and to everybody that's supporting us. Love you guys. ML here from Australia. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and we share more details for you about everything. Ask how we get monetized, how we do that until we get this our salary. Cheers, everybody. Bye bye. Thanks everyone so much for all the support again. We really do appreciate all the efforts. Now just put in there because yeah, thank you once again, guys. It's not much, but I'm really happy for this. We are not really well-known YouTuber, but I'm happy for this. Aside from the extra work that we have, this is extra too. Thank you once again from the bottom of our heart. ML here again in Australia, and I hope to see you next time, and more vlogs to come that I share. Bye everyone. Thank you also to Career Group, to all our friends here in the YouTube and the Facebook. Bye. I hope to see you again soon for the next vlog. Bye bye. Cheers. Be patient, and it'll give you reward too, like what we do. Bye.